keep going? And would they just intimidate some people from attending future protests? I think that's possible. I mean, our message is to say the best response to this political policing is a political response. Is to have a massive, peaceful protest tomorrow night in front of the Department of Justice. And then also to prepare for massive non-payment of the water charges. I mean, that will be our greatest revenge at this establishment and what they're doing to the people of Globe Centre is when there's 50% non-payment of bills in April and May, and the Irish water is at massive prices. That's the message we're still trying to get across, even when we're engaging with them on these particular issues.
Has it not made a hero or a victim out of you?
That's irrelevant. It's just very causal for people. Stupid question again.
Sorry, can we let the deputy answer his own questions?
We'll have a serious review. No, we don't think you should answer
We'll interview you in a minute if you want to go across the road. How about
we
that?
don't want to interview. We'll have it's open house here. Sorry, go ahead.
It's made a hero, victim out of me. I mean, it's obviously
It's not about heroes.
they're attempting to criminalise me and criminalise other people. And now, I mean, in total they're going to have 30 or 40 people arrested. All of those people are attempting to be criminalised and to be victimised. Does it backfire to some extent for them? Does it backfire to some extent for them? Yeah. But are there some people who will also think, oh, well, Paul Murphy's a criminal? So I think it has, you know, it's a double-sided sword.
It hasn't made Paul a hero or a criminal. It's made him a scapegoat. That's what they've done. Can you believe that you had 3 bankers who drove this country over a cliff? They were able to give a time of their own choosing when to appear in a Garda station. Paul didn't get that chance. He was just forced out of his own home at 20 to 7 in the morning. I didn't see any of those bankers who will remain nameless getting that sort of treatment. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, come here. If anyone wants, we have a phone number of a partner of someone who's currently in prison. If any media would like to talk to them, yeah? Do you want to? I'll take a group.